Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and full review of this dingmo mini chainsaw. Yeah, the listing says 4-inch electric portable chainsaw with brushless motor, one hand, lightweight pruning, shears, chainsaw for tree branch wood cutting, and so on. It's available in different colors and it's listed for around $80 on Amazon. There are a lot of such listings from similar brands. I think the inside is about the same and they just sell it with different brand names. They have most pretty good reviews, so I think it's something which is working. So yeah, this is the dingmo. You can see that here. That's not the shipping box, that's the box where you really get the stuff. You can see that here. We get even small instructions, user guide. You can see they don't even have the brand name in the instructions, so I guess it's same thing for all these kind of similar shaped chainsaw. You can see there's no brand name here. So they just sell these in millions and they just put the brand name here, but they are pretty much the same. So yeah, we get some instructions. Hope you can see that here. I'm going to show you this here. Yeah, because the writing is super small, I've decided to go really close with the camera. So hopefully you can see something, and I'm moving up piece by piece. So just make sure you go to the highest resolution, 1080p, then put everything on pause so you have enough time to read everything. So this should help you to make a better buy decision, or if you bought used or you just lost the instructions. I think now it's focusing nicely and you should be able to see everything. Yeah, here that's the last part, I think. Maybe there's something in the back. Chain installation instructions. Yeah, that's important. Just make sure that you don't have the battery inside when you do that. So otherwise it could be really dangerous. Grinding of the chainsaw. Then here's some warranty, probably not really important because, yeah, I guess you're not sending this back to China, and we are back on the first page. So let's go back to the box and see what we get. We get these somehow tough gloves, and we get even some other protection here for the arms, I think. Yeah, why not? Then we get even a screwdriver. We get, of course, the battery, which looks pretty much standard. And we get this thing to secure everything. Then charging thing. Can we use that worldwide? Yeah, I've been checking if you can use that worldwide, and it really works from 100 to 240 volts. But the weight, I have never seen something so lightweight. If somebody told me there's nothing inside, I would say, yeah, okay, definitely there's nothing inside. It's so lightweight. I hope this really works, not just for 1 hour or so. This is really scary. And the good thing is it's already put together. So it looks like I think we don't have to do anything. So that's insane. I think this is good. I mean, yeah, we don't have the battery here, so it should be safe to touch, and yeah, I think it's everything is here, so we can already use that. I don't know why this is in the instructions. Maybe they had it like this, that you had to put this together. Maybe there were too many complaints that people were not doing this right, and now they have decided to ship it like this. Yeah, good thing. I'm not complaining about that. So I think it makes a good impression, not too loose, not too tight. So I'm just going to fully charge this battery first, and then I'm going to try it out. So to charge, yeah, we just plug this in here, and then we have to find out where to attach the charger, or mean the charging plug, and it's here. It's not described in the instructions as far as I've been able to see. We just plug it here, and then we can charge, and you can see it goes into red light. When it's finished charged, it goes back into green light. We can put it here, and then we can start. So I've been outside for a little bit with this chainsaw, and I've been cutting such kind of wood. Unfortunately, I don't have anything else, nothing thicker, but this looks actually very small and weak, but it's not. I can tell you, this is very, very hard wood. This is some kind of bamboo, or I don't know. I mean, this is super hard. When you have to cut this with a normal saw, yeah, that's quite some work. But with this thing here, it took me just about 1 second to cut such a piece. I mean, I've been cutting about 20 of these pieces off. Like, I had the branch, I secured it with my foot, and then I just cut it like down, 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 down. So, I mean, yeah, I mean, it was a little bit too fast, but it was about, I would say 1 second per piece. And with this thing here, this was a little bit thick, and you always know when you have some things which are thicker, like almost like, I think it was even a fork or something like that, and it's usually much harder, and it took maybe 2 or 3 seconds for this part here. So, I mean, the sawing power was really, really great. I mean, strong. I don't have anything comparable to this. And yeah, it scared me a little bit. I mean, it's not because of this device, it's just because I've never used a chainsaw before, and it's really strong. The crazy thing is, of course, that it will turn on to full power when you start it. I mean, when you push this thing here, I mean, by the way, the thing here has been working really good. I mean, the button, you really have to push the button and here at the same time, otherwise you cannot push here if you don't push the button. So this has been working really good. You have this extra protection here on top. You can see everything is now full of this cutted wood here. I mean, I've been cutting at the end a little bit into the ground even, and so that caused most of the mess. But apart from that, it's just wood chippings and nothing special. I think everything is in really good condition. I don't see any wear and tear or so. Yeah, just make sure when you are doing something here that you remove the battery first, so nothing can happen. But I think this everything really nice. I haven't seen anything crazy going on. I think they have been adjusting this at the beginning to a really nice level. I mean, over time you have to clean, maybe give it some extra oil or so. I mean, there hasn't been any oil in the box, but maybe that's something where you could use some oil. I mean, I'm not a pro here regarding chainsaws. It really was the first time. The crazy thing, yeah, again, was for me as a first time chainsaw user that when you turn it on here, you push here and here, then it goes into full speed. There is no like slow speed or so. Sometimes with other saws, electric saws, you have different speed. So when you just push a little bit, it starts slowly and then you can push more. And so this would be actually appreciated from my side regarding safety, but probably this is something which is not available in any chainsaw. Maybe that's the idea, that it goes into full speed right away. I mean, it's much easier to cut when you start slow. Then sometimes it's a little bit difficult to find the start here, and when you go full speed, of course, it's much easier to cut, but it's more scary. But yeah, it is as it is. I guess it's the same with all these devices, but the cut has been really nice. You can see that here. I mean, I haven't been securing this fully. I was just standing with one foot on top of it, and it moved a little bit. So when we take this into account, I think the cut is really nice. And yeah, everything has been working good. So actually really no complaints. During the whole time when I was using this, I couldn't find anything which wouldn't be good. So the whole handling is good. So I think if you're fine with using a chainsaw with the crazy power, speed, and also risk, of course, to use a chainsaw, I think this could be the thing for you. I mean, it's really convenient. you have something, you don't need gas or so, it's just running on this battery here, and it's available all the time. When you have to do something, you just take it out of the box and start cutting. I think this could be really convenient. Price is good, so I don't see any problem with that, and I'm definitely happy with it. I'll keep it, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out, order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.